Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Emmanuel from Digital First Aid. Today we'll be talking about 62 steps to improve your SEO. I'll be showing you 62 steps you can take in order to rank in the first page of Google for any search word or keyword you want to rank for. Okay, so the first one is include your keyword in the alt text of your image. For example, you can include the keyword in any image of your choice when you are designing your website. For example, this is a website about studying abroad, ruhergr.com. We help people who want to study abroad from Africa to countries like UK, US, Canada, Australia. So you can just, when uploading your image, you can put your keyword in the alt text, in the description or alt text of your image you are uploading. Like this, I put my keywords over here, study abroad, and you can do it like that. With this, Google it will improve your ranking. And for example, if you type study abroad, if anybody types study abroad on Google and goes to the image, your image might pop up here, and it will bring more traffic to your website. So our second one is using free Chrome extension like Moz, Keywords Everywhere, and SEO Quick for your keyword research. Okay, so you can use extensions like SEO Quick. For example, if I search study abroad, okay, so these are ads. So SEO Quick will help you to show how well or what's making your competitor to rank. For example, this intostudy.com. They have link to domain. They have 382,000 links to domain. That means there are other sites linking to this domain. Okay, and they have links to this page over here. This should be their home page or a blog page. Okay, so they have 472 links to this page right here. This page right here. So they're really doing good. Doing well. So our second one is you can also use other keywords like mods. You can also use other keywords like mods. You can download it. It's a Chrome extension. Download it, and you can use it for your keyword research. I think mods is being owned by SEMrush. I think so. So you can use it, and I think it also does the same thing as SEO Quick. It also does the same thing as SEO Quick over here. Another one is Keywords Everywhere. If you look at the right hand side of my screen, you can see my mouse over here. These are other keywords that this Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere is giving you. You can use this and create content around it. It's always best to create content around long tail keywords instead of short tail keywords. For example, you see study abroad. There are lots of big sites that are ranking on the first page, and for you to overthrow them, it will take some time. It might almost be impossible to overthrow this big site over here. Okay, except you are related to the owners of Google. I got a joke, sure. But it's almost impossible to overthrow these guys on the first page of Google for this keyword study everywhere, except you're using ads, which will cost money. So you can see other keywords that this keywords everywhere is showing me, long tail keywords. And I can take this and create a blog around it and try to rank for it. So the next one is the next one is using Google Search Console for your website. So it's always best to use Google Search Console. Okay, so you can register yourself on Google Search Console, and Google will help you to rank. It will increase your chances of ranking on the first page of Google, and it's a very nice tool. I've been using Google Search Console for over 4 years right now, and they're very good. If you want to rank on Google, you should registering your site on Google on Search Console should be a very good idea. Search Console can show you your best performing page. This is just a new website. It has only three pages. I didn't create it to rank. I just created it for creation's sake. Every business needs to have a website, so it depends on your choice. So Google Search Console is very good. It tells you your best performing page. It tells you which page you are ranking on Google. It can tell you are ranking on the first page, second page, third page. You can also put your site map, to rank on Google. You can put your site map. Oh, I have some errors over here. I have to redo all this right now. So you can put your site map. You can test your core web vitals and everything. There are lots of videos on YouTube, that can teach you how to use Google Search Console very well. So our fourth step is put your keywords in when writing your meta tag description. So when you are creating your website, you can use WordPress extensions or WordPress plugins like RankMath or Yoast, RankMath or Yoast. You can use these two. For me, I do like RankMath over Yoast because I don't know why I just love RankMath over Yoast because number one, RankMath is more cheaper and everything. But we're not here for plugins. We're here to show you how you can impute your keywords in the meta description of any page on your website. So for example, you click edit snippet if you're using RankMath. So this is where you put the description. Mine is about studying abroad, so you can put your description over there and it will help you to rank. You can also see other recommendations. This is just a new website I'm creating, so I'm not yet through with it. So I still need to do all this. So you can put your keywords in your meta description, to enable you to rank higher. Okay, so our fifth step is interlinking your page. Interlinking your page means when you link your page from another page on your website. For example, this contact us more. It's linking to the contact page of my website, or you can just when you are writing any text on your website, when you are creating content on your website, you can link it. This is WordPress I'm using, so you can press this insert or edit link, and so you can link it to any website, any page on your website, and this increase the link to that website, which always increase or improve your SEO ranking. So you have to, or it's a must to link your website page from another page on your website. I hope you understand what I said. Okay. So the sixth one is making your website mobile friendly. On recent updates from Google about how to improve your SEO, Google hardly looks at websites that are laptop or computer friendly. They do take into account websites that are more mobile friendly, and do rank websites that are more mobile friendly, higher. Okay, so you have to make your website to be mobile friendly, and you can use tools like search.google.com, to test how good your website is or how mobile friendly your website is. You can also get it through your Google Search Console. I guess, yeah, you can get it, but you can just go on Google and search Google to check if your website is mobile friendly, and you click on the first one. So I did that for my website, webgr.com, and it's showing me that it's mobile friendly, and the page is usable on mobile. So this is also another factor to consider when you are planning on ranking your website on Google, if you want your website to be on the first page on Google. So that's it. So that, guys, these are the 6 steps to take when ranking when you want to improve your SEO on Google. Bear in mind that there are other ways of ranking your website on Google. Okay. One important step I didn't tell you about is backlinks. Okay, you have to get backlinks from websites that are similar to yours. For example, I work in a company that deals with study abroad, that helps people to study abroad. I can go to sites like all these sites here that are similar to yours, to my website, and I can contact them for backlinks. I can link to them, and they can link to me. This also improves SEO, because it tells Google that your site is really, really authoritative. Also, you can also use Wikipedia. Let me just show you something quickly. You type study abroad. You can also use Wikipedia, type study abroad, and you can edit any article here and link it to your website. You can see this is linking to the US State Department website, I guess. This is also linking to, let me click on this. This is linking to another article on Wikipedia. So linking your website through Wikipedia, or getting backlinks through Wikipedia, is another great way of increasing your SEO for your website. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things which you can implement if you own a website, or if you are looking on how to improve your SEO to your website. Please follow this channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Thank you.